In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job application form in MS Word using tables. If you need to create a professional job application form, Microsoft Word provides an easy way to organize all the information using tables. Tables help keep the form neat, aligned, and easy for applicants to complete. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Start by adding the title of your form at the top of the page. Type the name of the company or organization, followed by the title Job Application Form. Center the title and adjust the font size and formatting so it stands out clearly. Next, create a table for the applicant's personal information. Go to the Insert tab, select Table, and choose the number of rows and columns you need. Use the cells to organize fields such as full name, address, contact number, email address, date of birth, and other information required from the applicant. After creating the table, enter each field into the appropriate cells. You can adjust the column width and row height to provide enough space for applicants to enter their information. Make sure the labels are easy to read and that the overall layout remains organized. Next, add a section for employment information. Create another table where applicants can provide details about their previous work experience. You can include fields such as previous employer, job title, employment dates, responsibilities, and reason for leaving. After that, create a section for educational background. Use another table to organize information such as school name, degree, or qualification, course, and dates attended. Adjust the size of the cells so applicants have enough room to provide their answers. You can also add a section for skills and qualifications. This can include areas where applicants can list relevant skills, certifications, training, or other qualifications related to the position. Next, add a references section if it is required. Create a table with fields for the reference person's name, relationship, organization, contact information, and other relevant details. At the bottom of the form, add a declaration section. Include a statement confirming that the information provided by the applicant is accurate, followed by spaces for the applicant's signature and date. Finally, review the entire form and adjust the table borders, spacing, alignment, font sizes, and row heights. Make sure every section is clearly labeled and that applicants have enough space to provide the required information. And that's how you can create a professional job application form in Microsoft Word using tables. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,